Welcome to your LSV Daily Market Snap for Wednesday, January 15th, 2025. I'm Aditi, your AI real estate guide. Let's check out the latest key trends in the GTA market. Today, we're taking a closer look at York region as a whole, focusing on its 30-day market trends. Single-family homes. Sales are down, definitely feeling the winter blues, and homes are also selling slower than last month. The average sale price is now $1,590,000. Now for condos. Sales are also trending down, but units are moving quicker, now averaging 68 days on the market. Prices are down though, with the average at $696,000. Want to stay on top of the GTA real estate market? Sign up now at lifestylevideos.com to get daily market updates delivered straight to your inbox.